Hello everyone, I'm sharing 10 powerful superfoods that can naturally boost your metabolism and help you on your health journey. No 1 green tea boosts metabolism due to catechins. No 2 chili peppers contains capsaicin to increase calorie burn. No 3 blueberries packed with antioxidants to improve overall energy metabolism. No 4 avocado rich in healthy fats that keep you full and stabilize blood sugar. No 5 and ginger improves digestion and has thermogenic properties. No 6 salmon high in omega-3 fatty acids which help balance hormones and boost metabolism. No 7 quinoa high in protein and fiber promoting a longer calorie burn. No 8 Greek yogurt. Probiotics improve gut health, which is crucial for metabolism. No 9 cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar and enhances metabolic function. No 10 eggs, a complete protein that helps build muscle and burn calories. Which of these superfoods will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips every day.